Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new episode of Practice English. I'm Michael, your host, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. This is your safe space to practice English with confidence and love. Today on our podcast, we're going to talk about something very special. Family phrases in English. We'll learn 150 beautiful expressions to strengthen bonds and communicate with love in your family. Family is the heart of everything, right? When we speak English with our loved ones, we create deeper connections. Don't worry if you're a beginner. I'll speak slowly and clearly. We'll practice together step by step. My goal is to help you speak English with more confidence and naturalness day after day. Are you ready? Let's start this amazing journey together. Remember, every small step counts in your English learning adventure. Episode theme. Today's focus is family communication in English. Family is where love begins and never ends. When we learn to express our feelings in English with our family members, we open new doors of connection. We'll explore phrases for parents, children, grandparents, siblings, and extended family. These expressions will help you show love, support, and care in English. Family conversations are different from formal English. They're warm, personal, and full of emotion. You'll learn how to say "I love you" in different ways, how to encourage your family members, how to express gratitude, and how to create beautiful moments together. Whether you're talking to your spouse, your children, your parents, or your grandparents, these phrases will make your relationship stronger. Family English is about the heart, not just words. It's about creating memories and sharing emotions. So let's dive into this wonderful world of family expressions in English together. Shadowing explanation. Now, let me explain what shadowing is. Shadowing is a powerful technique where you repeat everything I say immediately after I say it. It's like being my echo. This helps you improve your pronunciation, rhythm, and natural flow of English. Don't worry about being perfect. Just try your best to copy my voice, my speed, and my intonation. Ready? Let's practice with some simple family phrases. Listen first, then repeat. Good morning, family. Now you try. Good morning, family. Great. I love you so much. Your turn. I love you so much. Excellent. How was your day? Repeat. How was your day? Perfect. Let's spend time together. Your turn. Let's spend time together. Wonderful. See how easy it is? Shadowing helps your brain learn the natural rhythm of English. When you repeat after me, you're training your mouth muscles and your ears at the same time. This is one of the best ways to improve your English speaking skills quickly and naturally. Morning family routine. Let's start with morning family phrases. Morning is when we begin our day with love and positive energy. Here are beautiful expressions for your family morning routine. Listen and repeat. Good morning, sunshine. Your turn. Good morning, sunshine. Did you sleep well? Repeat. Did you sleep well? Breakfast is ready. Your turn. Breakfast is ready. Have a wonderful day. Repeat. Have a wonderful day. I'm proud of you. Your turn. I'm proud of you. Now, let's practice a short morning conversation. Listen to this family scene. Good morning, everyone. How did you sleep? Today is going to be amazing. Let's eat breakfast together. I love starting my day with my family. You make every morning special. Have a great day at school and work. Now repeat each sentence after me. Good morning, everyone. Your turn. How did you sleep? Your turn. Today is going to be amazing. Your turn. Let's eat breakfast together. Your turn. Beautiful work. Afternoon, family time. Afternoon is perfect for connecting with family. Here are lovely phrases for afternoon family moments. Listen and repeat. How's your day going? Your turn. How's your day going? Let's have lunch together. Repeat. Let's have lunch together. Tell me about your day. Your turn. Tell me about your day. I missed you today. Repeat. I missed you today. Want to play together? Your turn. Want to play together. You're doing great. Repeat. You're doing great. Now let's practice an afternoon family conversation. Welcome home. I'm so happy to see you. How was school today? Did you have fun? Let's sit together and talk. I want to hear everything. You're the best part of my day. Would you like a snack? Let's spend some quality time together. Practice with me. Welcome home. Your turn. I'm so happy to see you. Your turn. How was school today? Your turn. Did you have fun? Your turn. Excellent job. Evening family bonding. Evening is the perfect time for family bonding. Here are warm phrases for your evening family routine. Listen and repeat. Dinner time, everyone. Your turn. Dinner time, everyone. How was everyone's day? Repeat. How was everyone's day? Let's share our day. Your turn. Let's share our day. I'm grateful for you. Repeat. I'm grateful for you. Family time is the best. Your turn. Family time is the best. Good night, sweet dreams. Repeat. Good night, sweet dreams. Let's practice an evening family scene. Come together, family. Let's sit around the table. This food looks delicious. Thank you for this wonderful meal. I love our family dinners. We're so blessed to be together. What was the best part of your day? I love hearing your stories. Family is everything to me. Now repeat. Come together, family. Your turn. Let's sit around the table. Your turn. This food looks delicious. Your turn. Thank you for this wonderful meal. Your turn. Perfect. Daily life tips. Here are practical tips to use family English every day. First, change your phone language to English. This helps you think in English naturally. Second, write 2 to 3 sentences in your family diary every day in English. For example, today I hugged my mum. We laughed together. I feel blessed. Third, record a 1-minute audio message to your family in English. Say things like, I love you, family. You make me happy every day. Fourth, join online family English groups. Share your experiences and learn from others. Fifth, watch short family videos in English and repeat the phrases you hear. Practice phrases like, I appreciate you. You mean the world to me. I'm here for you. We're in this together. Family first. Remember, small daily actions create big changes. Every day, try to use at least 5 family phrases in English. Talk to your mirror, practice with your pet, or speak to your family members. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Love and encouragement phrases. Love and encouragement are the foundation of strong families. Here are powerful phrases to show love and support. Listen and repeat. I believe in you. Your turn. I believe in you. You can do anything. Repeat. You can do anything. I'm always here for you. Your turn. I'm always here for you. You make me proud. Repeat. You make me proud. You're amazing. Your turn. You're amazing. I love you more than words. Repeat. I love you more than words. Let's practice encouraging conversations. Hey, don't give up. You're stronger than you think. I see how hard you're working. Your effort is beautiful. Mistakes help us learn and grow. I love you exactly as you are. Tomorrow is a new opportunity. We'll face everything together as a family. Practice. Hey, don't give up. Your turn. You're stronger than you think. Your turn. I see how hard you're working. Your turn. Your effort is beautiful. Your turn. These phrases can change someone's entire day. Gratitude and appreciation. Gratitude makes families stronger and happier. Here are beautiful phrases to express appreciation to your family. Listen and repeat. Thank you for everything. Your turn. Thank you for everything. I appreciate you so much. Repeat. I appreciate you so much. You're a blessing in my life. Your turn. You're a blessing in my life. I'm lucky to have you. Repeat. I'm lucky to have you. You make life beautiful. Your turn. You make life beautiful. I'm grateful for our family. Repeat. I'm grateful for our family. Let's practice a gratitude conversation. I want to tell you something important. You mean everything to me. Thank you for your love and patience. Thank you for always being there. You make our house a home. I appreciate all you do for our family. Your love gives me strength every day. I'm so blessed to call you family. Practice with me. I want to tell you something important. Your turn. You mean everything to me. Your turn. Thank you for your love and patience. Your turn. Beautiful. Inspirational closing. My dear English learners, we've reached the end of today's episode, but this is just the beginning of your family English journey. Remember, learning English takes time, and that's perfectly okay. Every day you practice, you're getting better. Mistakes are not problems, they're stepping stones to success. Celebrate every small victory. Did you say good morning in English today? That's amazing. Did you tell your family I love you in English? That's fantastic. Your why is your power. Remember why you want to learn English with your family. Maybe it's to connect better, to help your children, or to create new traditions. Keep that reason close to your heart. Family love has no language barriers, but when we speak English together, we create something magical. Every phrase you learn, every word you practice, brings you closer to your dreams. You are capable of amazing things. Your family believes in you, and I believe in you too. Keep practicing, keep loving, keep growing. See you next time.